Hi, I'm Gail with Gail's Hidden Creations. Today we are in Yuba City. We're very excited. This sale is going to be in two phases. It's a warehouse, and the first phase we're going to do tools and some motorcycles, a couple of cars. So come on in and I'll give you a tour. The warehouse is packed with the cars and tools. So it is kind of like a maze, and we will only be able to have a small amount of people in at one time. This is a aluminum ATV ramp in the back of your car. There's a 12-ton hydraulic jack, barbecue grill. This is a compressor, 5 horsepower. It needs some TLC. There is a large snap-on toolbox that has on top. This is one of the items on the online auction, so you'll want to check our auctions ahead of time because some of these items we will have listed prior to the sale and try and be selling then. There is the Blue Point. It has everything you need for bumpers. If you're going to change out bumpers, the calipers, and then there's a machinist's toolbox and a sandblaster, bead blaster, lathe mill that is handy to have, and also do have a 210 jack and camping items. And we still are setting up. We have been working on this for a few days. We do have some racing rocket bikes. We are working on getting titles for some of these things, so they may be available in the first phase or the second phase. If you're interested, just message me and I'll let you know which sale that they will be available on. If it has a blue X, like the red one, it is not for sale. The owner is keeping it. Treadmill. Kids at home, you need to get on that treadmill. The Ford, we do have a title for. There are quite a few fees owed on it, so it will be a parts only. The Porsche, we do have the title for. This will be an auction item. The white Nova is not for sale. The project car in the back, the M6, is, we have more parts to it. We do actually have a title for that. Jensen Healy, we're still working on getting some paperwork on that, and also for the boat. You can visit our website, www.gailshiddencreations.com, for more information. You will want to come early. This is going to be a one-day sale for the first phase. So that will be on a Friday. Come early for best selection and come back again for the best deals. We look forward to seeing you at the sale. Bye.